Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about some of the problems in the logarithms. If you want to know about the logarithm identities, I did a previous video. The video link is given in the description. You watch that video so that you can understand the logarithms identities very clearly. That helps you to solve the logarithm problems very clearly. In this video, we will know how to expand the logarithms. In the last video, we discussed how to convert the expanded logarithm into short form like log n. In this video, we will convert the log n as the expanded form. Now let us go for the first question. And the first question is expand log p square into q cube by r power 4. Now the solution for this question is solution given log p square into q cube by r power 4 is there. Here this total we will take it as numerator and this one we will take it as denominator. And this one, if you are observing, this is like a identity of log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. Here we are not having any base. Even if you are not having any base, we will consider the base as 10 here. Now by this one, this m is p square into q cube is m, r power 4 is n. So we can write this one as log m. M is p square into q cube minus log n means log r power 4. Log r power 4 we got. If you observe this one again, log this is m, this is n. It is in the form of log m into n. If log m into n is there, that is equal to, we get log m plus log n we get. Here if you are having here log m is p square, n is q cube. Log m into n can be written as log m plus log n here. So we get here log p square plus log n. N is q cube. Log q cube minus log r power 4 we got here. If you observe each and every log, it is in the form of log a power m is equal to log a power m, log a power m, log a power m. Everything is in the form of log a power m. So we can write it as m log a. Log a power m. This power will come to the base and becomes m log a. So we get here 2 log p plus this 3 will come to the base 3 log q minus this come to the base 4 log r is the expanded form of this one. Here this is in the form of log n here. This n we are expanding into the long form. So this we will call it as expanded forms. So they given expand log p square into q cube by r power 4. The maximum expansion is 2 log p plus 3 log q minus 4 log r. This is the maximum expansion. Other than this, we cannot expand this problem. So this is the solution for this question. Now let us go for another question. The next question is expand log under root of x cube by y square. How to solve this question? Let us see here. in this question we have to convert the logarithm into expanded form. Now the solution for this question is given log under root of x cube by y square, and we know if we are having under root we can write on the power 1 by 2. So we can write log under root of x cube by y square as log x cube by y square whole power 1 by 2 we can write. If we are removing this under root, we will get 1 by 2 on the power. It is in the form of a by b whole power m is equal to a power m by b power m. Here the total is a, this total is b, a by b whole power m, power is 1 by 2 here. If power is there for both a and b, this power will come to the numerator, this power will come to the denominator, and we get like this: log x cube whole to the power of 1 by 2 by y square whole to the power of 1 by 2. Here log is there, a by b whole power m is a power m by b power m, b power m means y square whole power 1 by 2 we got. Now again it is in the form of a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n here. So we get here log x cube into 1 by 2 by y square into 1 by 2 we got here, and here these two get cancelled here, and x power 3 into 1 by 2 we get here logarithm is log only by x power 3 into 1 by 2 is x power 3 by 2 we got by y power 1, here 2 get cancelled, y power 1 is y we got here. It is in the form of log m by n. The formula of log m by n is equal to log m minus log n here. Here log m by n can be written as log m. M is here x power 3 by 2 minus log n. Denominator is y here, log y I got. Again it is in the form of log a power m. Log a power m is equal to m log a we are having. So this we can solve it as this power will come to the base. Log a power m, a is x here, m is 3 by 2 here. So this 3 by 2 will come to the base here. So we get 3 by 2 log x minus log y is the expansion for this question. The solution for this question is 3 by 2 log x minus log y.
If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.